I've been wanting to make a video and I haven't been able to do anything with my car, but we have got a new Honda in our family, a 1991 Honda Civic sedan, EF sedan, whatever you want to call it. It's all stock. Just get it. The car's in great shape, other than the roof, but other than that, it's got like a thing here and there like that. See a couple up through here. I'm not sure if it'll pick it up on the camera. See one right up there in his window, but other than that, really clean car. It is an LX. All stock exhaust. I don't think there's anything aftermarket on it. Interior. Power. Everything. It's a real clean car. It's got a little over 200,000 miles on it. All the lights and everything works. The only thing aftermarket, to my knowledge, is the radio. And I have a Kenwood radio that I'm going to be putting in here, along with, I don't know what kind of speakers I'm going to get yet, but these are stock, and I think that one is blown, or it's about blown. You can barely hear out of it. And that one, what you hear, it's not good quality at all. But this is gonna, I don't know if I'll do much car stereo stuff with this, because our main focus is keeping this car just running good and keep it all stock as we possibly can. Also has cruise control. You can see right up there. But yeah, and I'm gonna show you the radio that I'm gonna put in here. See, let me go get that and I'll be right back. This is gonna be a second part video of the 91 Civic. Got the head unit installed. Sounds good. I still need to replace the door speakers in it. They're still the stock 6.5, I think it is. And you can see it there. It sits really good. I just need the trim ring to go around it. Really made a big sound difference from the dual radio that was in here before. Turn it up a little bit and let you see if you can hear a sound difference in it. Tell the DJ play your song. When I see you from the back, I came from. Ask me what I do and who I do it for. When I die, bury me inside the booty club. Get it good, get it good, get it good. I might switch it up and get you good. They ask me what I do and who I do it for. And how I come up with this. Just wanted to do a sound difference between this and the dual. Not sure how long this video can go because the battery is about to die, but you can get a general idea of how it sounds.